How to share a product on Amazon shopping app to WhatsApp. Hello guys, so on what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon shopping app. This is the home page as you can see. Now on what you have to do is simple. Just choose the product that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now on what you have to do is simple. Just go here, click on this little icon as you can see. Click on it and choose WhatsApp right here. If you didn't find the WhatsApp, just swipe right here until you find it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.